Okay, so today we are taking a closer look at the Sony wireless rechargeable headphones, the mdr-rf895rk. Unlike Bluetooth headphones, these ones utilize RF transmission, a tried and tested technology. While they won't pair with your smartphone, they seamlessly connect to any TV or computer, offering a wireless audio experience. It is right now possible for you to get your hands on the headphones for around $80 or €70. Setting them up is straightforward. Just use the provided 3.5mm jack lead to connect the transmitter to your TV or computer's headphone output. Once connected, you're ready to enjoy audio directly streamed to your headphones, although there might be some disturbing noises. You can just switch between 3 channels and use the auto tune button on the headphones to optimize the connection. Once you found the personal audio settings, recharging the Sony is super easy. Simply place the headphones on the transmitter and they will start charging automatically. You will know they are charging when the red light on the transmitter base lights up. What's impressive about these headphones is their voice enhancement feature, perfect for making dialogues clearer when watching TV shows or movies. Plus, they are incredibly comfortable with ample padding around the ears and an adjustable headband, ensuring a personalized fit. With a range of up to 100 meters from the transmitter, you are free to move around, for example to your fridge, while still enjoying your TV audio. One standout feature is the exceptional battery life. With up to 20 hours of playback on a full charge, you can watch your favorite series without worrying about running out of power. Unlike Bluetooth headphones that can be interrupted by your phone notifications, these RF headphones provide uninterrupted listening pleasure. Overall, you are in the market for comfortable, high quality but still affordable wireless headphones tailored for TV or computer audio. The Sony RF895rk is an excellent choice. The sound quality for especially dialogues in movies is one big advantage on these headphones. In my opinion, the connectivity via RF is working good, but I'm personally missing the connection to my phone or tablet. If you want to compare these headphones with some Bluetooth headphones with active noise cancelling and many more features, this video in the middle of the screen might be the perfect video for you to watch next.